Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about center of mass. So today we will see some simple illustrations to understand how to calculate the center of mass. I told you that if it is a square, it is a symmetrical geometry. Symmetrical. See, we are trying to find out for the plane surface. When we talk about plane surface, we talk about area. When we talk about solid, we talk about mass. So we are talking about plane geometry. It will have some x, it will have some y. This is a square. So some sides A and A. We discussed that for symmetrical objects, it will be in the center. Okay. So if I take this point as my 0, 0. So this is A, half of that. So x coordinate will be A by 2 and y coordinate also will be A by 2. This is for the square. Okay. I told you a formula also yesterday. Can this be derived from the formula, let us see. So how to do that? This is my square. First what you need to do is, you need to take a reference. Alright? And what we will do is, we will break this area into two parts. In the center I have cut. We have broken this area into two parts. So this total is A. So what is this half? This is A by 2. अब जरा ध्यान से सुनो, ओके? बड़े एरिया को हमने छोटा एरिया में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. And we will call this area as 1 and this area as 2. So the procedure is like this. We have to find out x bar. I am taking a simple example first so that you understand the procedure very clearly. X bar is equal to A1 x1 plus A2 x2 A1 plus A2. All that why I have not written A3 x3 A4 x4 and all that, because only two areas are there. Two areas, two terms. Three areas, three terms. 100 areas, 100 terms. Okay? So A1 x1 plus A2 x2 by A1 plus A2, and y bar was A1 y1 plus A2 y2 by A1 plus A2. This is the formula I taught you yesterday. Right? Quickly let us calculate the individual values of A1 x1, A2 x2, etc. Alright? So we will first find A1. What is A1? We are calling this block as the first area. So what is the area of this? Width is A by 2, length is A. It is rectangle A into A by 2, A square by 2. Similarly, exactly symmetrical. Again, symmetry, please understand. If I put a mirror here, this point is a reflection of this point. If I put a mirror here, this point is a reflection of this point. So this shape is symmetrical about both x and y. Alright? Often symmetry we have to see. Sometimes some geometry is symmetrical about x but not y. Sometimes something is symmetrical about y but not x. When that example comes, I will tell you. Okay? But this particular geometry is symmetrical about both x and y. So here, if you got A1 as A square by 2, A2 also will be A square by 2 only. It is also A by 2 into A. Alright? Now we have to find out x1. अभी ध्यान से सुनिए. x1 means what? This is my first area. इसका centroid. इसका भी एक centroid होगा. उसका भी x और y होगा. तो उसका x coordinate. किसका x coordinate? Whose coordinate? Of area 1. Alright? तो इसका center किधर होगा? इधर होगा. We are talking only about 1 now. Forget about the whole other thing. तो इसका 1 का centroid किधर है? इसके center में है. तो this is A by 2. The total was 8. उसका half A by 2. उसका half is A by 4. This step should be very clear to you. Okay? And from where we have to calculate? We have to calculate from the origin. We have to calculate from the origin. So from origin it is a by 4. I'm telling each step because no matter how complicated problem you do, each step should be very clear. Now coming to second area. Second area where it will be? It will be at its center. देखो ये a by 2, ये a by 2, तो ये कितना होगा? This is a by 4. Alright? इसके जैसा ये भी इस पॉइंट से इसको भूल जाओ. Forget this. You see only this portion. It will be a by 4. लेकिन हमको लेना कहाँ से है? From where we have to take? We have to take from our reference point. Yesterday I told this point. So what will be x2? X2 will be a. This is a by 2 plus a by 4. So this is 50%, 25%, 3a by 4. Alright? इसको लिख लो. Then we will find out y1 by 2. ठीक है? So for finding out y1 by 2, y1 area 1 का y coordinate. So from here to here it is a. तो उसके आधे में होगा. So this is a, it will be a by 2. And y2 same. यहां से ले रहे हैं. You have to take the reference line as this line. And you have to take reference origin. यहां से लेना है. तो ये अगर यहां पर होगा, ये भी वहीं पर होगा. ये भी a by 2 पे होगा. Area 2 y coordinate also will be at a by 2. We have just calculated all the individual values and put it in the formula. Alright. A1. What is A1? It is a square by 2 multiplied by x1 a by 4 plus a square by 2 multiplied by 3a by 4 divided by a square by 2 plus a square by 2. ठीक है? So numerator how much are we getting? This is 1 divided by 8 and this is 3 by 8. So we are getting 4 by 8. Right? Numerator we are getting 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 a cube divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 which is 1 a square. Square एक a बच गया. So x coordinate is a by 2. X coordinate is a by 2. Right? Now y coordinate. Y coordinate formula y bar is equal to a1. A1 is a square by 2 into y1. Y1 is a by 2. A2 is a square by 2 into a by 2 divided by same area you will get a1 plus a2 how much? A square you will get a square by 2 plus a square by 2 you will get a square. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 2 by 4 2 by 4 means 2 by 4 a cube a square into a cube divided by a square. How much you got? A by 2. Okay. So it is correct. So this is how you have to apply the formula and get this answer. Okay. This is a simple example. So this is how you have to apply the formula what we have learned in here. Okay. Yeah. Now my question is, I took the area like this. If I had taken the area like this, will my answer change? The answer won't change. It doesn't matter how you take the area, in which fashion you take the area. Okay? In which fashion you should take the area, it doesn't matter. हाँ, तो अपना लाइफ कॉम्प्लिकेट ना करें। सर मैं यहाँ पे एक ट्रायंगल बनाऊंगा, यहाँ एक बनाऊंगा, ये सब नहीं करना है। हमें प्रॉब्लम आसानी से सॉल्व करना है। वी वांट टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इजीली। वी डोंट वांट टू मेक आवर लाइफ अ मेस। वी डोंट वांट टू मेक अ प्रोजेक्ट वर्क आउट ऑफ दिस, isn't it? So I have taken the vertical cut. If you take the horizontal cut also, you will get the same expression. Okay, so that also we can quickly see if you wish. Just note down this. Just to satisfy ourselves, we will take the same example, and this time we will cut like this and see. Let us see what happens. So this is 1, this is 2. Quickly we will try to calculate. We get this is a square of side A. Of side A. This I have taken 0, 0 as a reference. एक और point, please remember. This is my reference point. Reference point कुछ भी ले लो, centroid will not change. Centroid will remain there. Okay. What is this 0, 0? It is a reference point. You are calling it here. You are calling it as origin. Okay. Here you are calling it as origin. So you take whatever reference point. Your answer will be the same. Now in this case, what we are studying, we are taking a cut like this and see if the statement what I said is right or wrong. Now, same thing we will do. So this is 1, this is 2. Quickly we will find out A1, A2. Not putting all the steps. A1, A1, A is the length, A by 2 is the width. This will be A by 2. So A into A by 2, it is A square by 2. If this is A square by 2, this will also be A square by 2. There are no big points for guessing that. Okay, so I am not putting all the steps. Now we need to find out x1. x1 किसका निकालना है? Of area 1, because this area we are calling it as area 1. So अगर मैं इसको area 1 बोलता हूँ, तो इसका सेंट्रोइड किधर होगा? इधर होगा, somewhere here, right? This is A. See only the area 1. This is A by 2. So what is the x coordinate? From where we are measuring? 0, 0. So it will be A by 2. Similarly, x2. x2 means we have to take only the second area. So from here, you have to see only the x part. This is my x2. This is my x1. Okay? This is my x1. This is my x2. So x2 also will be there in the same line, no? So it will also be A by 2. Alright, now let us calculate the y1. Why we are calculating x and y? Because it is a 2D plane. It's a plane. We need two coordinates. We need two coordinates. How? Now this blackboard is there. It has got some height, some width. If I take this as the origin, where is this point? I need to tell you x, I need to tell you y, then only I will be able to come here. Only simply telling x is of no use, because it is two-dimensional. Two-dimensional में x और y दोनों बताना पड़ेगा. So let us calculate now y1. Y1 of area 1. So what will be y1? Is it not this dimension? It is not. It is this dimension. What is this dimension? This is A by 2. A by 2 का आधा. So A by 4. What is y2? Y2 is from here to this dimension. This dimension. See, from here to here, अगर ये 2 को सेपरेटली देखोगे, इतने हाइट में होगा. So ये A by 2 है, ये A by 2 है, so this will be A by 4. लेकिन हम लोग मेजर कहाँ से कर रहे हैं? तो वी आर measuring from this point. So I need to add this distance also, right? I need to add this, then I will come to this point, which is this arrow mark. So y2 will be a by 2. This is the distance plus a by 4. It is 3a by 4, right? Now put it in the equation. X bar is equal to, I'm not writing the expression here, a1 x1. What is a1? A1 is a square by 2 into x1. A by 2 plus a2. A square by 2 into x2. A by 2 divided by a square by 2 plus a square by 2, it is a square only. आप एरिया को ऐसे काटो या वर्टिकली काटो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? In both the cases it will remain like that only. I am switching between English, Hindi and all that, whichever is comfortable. So इसको simplify करेंगे. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 into a cube divided by a square. It is a by 2. Now let us see the y bar. Y bar when you take a1 is a1 by 1, a square by 2 into y1. What is y1? A by 4 plus a2. A2 is also a square by 2 into 3a by 4 divided by total area a1 plus a2. It is a square, right? So it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 in the numerator. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. 4 by 8. 4 by 8 a2 divided by a square. You are getting a by 2. So what is the x coordinate and y coordinate? A by 2, a by 2. You got the same answer? So it proves the statement that you can take area in whichever way. The centroid will not change. Okay? The centroid will not change. Take a screenshot and write it. Some more frequently formulas which we use. Abhi, if I take a circle, the circle ka centroid will be in the center. Okay? Circle I have taken circular shape disc. So this ka centroid center. Symmetrical about x, symmetrical about y, symmetrical about any axis. Circle is a very variety thing, you know. It is symmetrical about anywhere. Now let us say I take a semicircle. What is this? Second diagram. It is a semicircle. ये देखो, ये point A and A dash. If I take a axis like this, A and A dash are symmetrical. But if I take some axis here, these two are not symmetrical. So semicircle, this case, it is symmetrical about y, but not x. तो इसका कैसे आएगा? Because it is symmetrical, इसका x coordinate यही होगा. Okay? It will be this point only. But y coordinate, this here you will get. So this is the point. So this point is, if you are measuring from here, let us say the diameter, let us say the radius is r. Okay? So the coordinate will be r comma 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. Just check. I think it's 4r by 3 pi only. This 4r by 3 pi. Okay. Why the first coordinate is r? Let me just confirm this value. It's 4r by 3 pi. Why the first value is r? Because x coordinate is in the center. So if you are measuring from here, it is r. And what is the second coordinate? That is the y coordinate. Y coordinate is 4r by 3 pi. This is, you should remember. Okay? 4r by 3 pi. So this is about semicircle. Now another important figure is, this is triangle. Okay? In triangle, let us call this base as b and this height as h. These are quite frequently we are using. Okay? So iska the centroid, see, it will be somewhere here. These 2 points, this is exactly passing to the center. Okay? So these 2 points are symmetrical. So from here, it will be at a distance of x will be b by 2. Now we have to see, I am calling this as x and this as y. X coordinate is b by 2. But what about y coordinate? Dhyan se suno. If you are measuring from the base, it is h divided by 3. If you are measuring from base, h divided by 3. If you are coming from the top, it is 2h by 3. This is 2h by 3. You will say, sir, when this is h by 3, what is the big deal? It is 2h by 3 only, no, sir? No. Often, you have to be very careful. Suppose a triangle is given like this. Okay? The triangle is given like this. This is like this. And this is given as 5 centimeters and this is given as 4 centimeters. Okay? So 4 मतलब दोनों के बीच में 2 पे होगा. You are calling this as x here and this as y. ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पर this point and this point are symmetrical. So in the y direction, it is okay. It will be in the center. Okay? So in the y direction, it will be 2. Y direction it will be here. Okay? Now, suppose you are taking this as the reference point. The centroid will be here. Total, see, the centroid of this diagram will be here, like this. इसको मैंने टिल्ट किया. तो इसके two coordinates are there. I have to find x, I have to find y. X is this dimension. From where you are measuring? From the vertex you are measuring. So what you should write? 2 into 5 by 3. Okay? Centroid 2 into 5 by 3 because you are measuring from the vertex. And y. What is y? This vertical. You are taking this as the reference line, no? So it is on the line. So this will be 0. If I am taking this as the reference. ठीक है? अगर मैं रेफरेंस को ये ले लूं, मेरा आंसर चेंज होगा, लेकिन ये पॉइंट वही रहेगा, वो मैं बता रहा हूं. If I change my coordinate, this point will remain here only. If I take this point, I got some coordinate. If I take this point, I get some other coordinate. है ना? In simple terms, you call this as 0, 0. This is 2, 2, let us say. I take this as the reference now. 1, 1 is the reference. So, with respect to this point, this coordinate will change or not? It will become 1, 1. It will become 1, 1 with respect to this point. Why? Because I changed the coordinate of the origin I took. I changed the coordinate of the origin I took. If I take this as the origin, it is 2, 2. If I take this as 1, 1, so this is 1 and this is 1. This is 1 and this is 1. Isn't it? The whole is 2. 2 minus 1. This is 1, this is 1. So this coordinate, when I am taking this, it is becoming 1, 1. That is what is happening. If I take this as the origin, I will get some coordinate. If I get this as the origin, I get some other coordinate. But the point remains there only. The point remains there only. And if you are coming from the vertex, 2h by 3. If I am coming from the base, h by 3. Had I taken this as the origin, let us say I should have considered this point h by 3. So just make a note of this very useful point, and in the next class I will talk about some composite figures. These are plain figures. We'll talk about, maybe in triangle also one more problem we will do. We'll see composite figures. Okay, thank you.